painfully slow at adopting robotics and automation in our manufacturing sector. And if we want our manufacturing sector to grow and succeed, we've got to pick up the pace on that. I really want to see a strong future for manufacturing, and that means a strong future for robotics and automation. One of the concerns, I think, about the move to robotics and automation some years ago was that the robotics would take our jobs. We know that's not the case. We know that economies grow faster where they invest in automation.
My presentation today was making sure that our audience understood what our manufacturers across the UK are feeling right now, some of the challenges that they're facing, but very positively how they're responding to perhaps navigate how supply chains look differently, how they're decarbonising, but also adopting digital technologies to be more productive and internationally competitive.
So I was quite mindful that the audience was coming from the robotics world, the technology world, quite likely motivated to either find ways in which they could get their technology into customers, or alternatively, they were already customers and users trying to find innovative ways to actually acquire new technologies. So I was trying to pitch into that space, and I was trying to explain how servitization leads to business models which kind of unlock the opportunity of the new technology for both parties.
This event is all about how to get different sectors and different actors together around the same landscape, robotics and autonomous systems. By getting the different people together, we're sharing best practice, we're showing the art of the possible, but we're also encouraging that dialogue. And that's critical for knowledge exchange and building the foundations for strong collaboration. When you have those foundations in place, you can then look to champion that as well. And through championing robotics and autonomous systems in the UK, we can help to realise the UK's ambitions to be a science superpower.
The Manufacturing Technology Centre is a huge asset for our manufacturers. Make UK and the High Value Manufacturing Catapult Network work really closely together. And actually, for many of our manufacturers, whilst they might understand where they want to get to, trying to understand the first steps, trying to understand the different technology providers that are out there, and really being able to harness the expertise of those lessons that the team at the MTC have learnt many times over.
I hope that events such as those run by the MTC go some way to spreading the word and increasing the rate of adoption across the manufacturing industry in the UK.